So good evening. So we've now had confirmation that it's not Doncaster Fear Factory, even though Doncaster Fear Factory are using very similar terms and images connected to this. So, and they've shared a video basically accusing somebody of copying them. So yeah, it's quite interesting what's going on. We've had another message which we will play now. This is going to run and run, isn't it? So yeah, we don't know what's going on. So let's see what happens next.
Hello Scaretors. By all means believe what you want, but I can confirm I am not. Nor have I ever been involved with Doncaster Fear Factory. Keep guessing, this is fun. Kindest regards from myself, the host.